G'day guys, welcome back to part 2 of the KLR and V-Strom test. In part 1 we made our way along Huggetts Road and down the track to the stunning Huggetts Crossing campground, but now it's time for the real challenge. Climbing back up the track we just came down and seeing if we can track down that epic lookout on the way. Once we're out, I'll take you around to a few more spots in the area, and as you'll see, things don't quite go to plan. We have a little mishap that cuts the ride short for one of us. So stick around and let's see how these adventure bikes handle the climb back out. Looks like we're going to roll back down. Oop, maybe not. Shouldn't have stopped. Oh, that was close. I still got you, Ed? Alright, I'm at a bit... Yep. I'll keep going. Yep. Yep. It's more fun going up. Remember that bit up here with all the ruts? You got to kind of stick to the left. Big whoop coming up. Got some air. Don't know how far I should push this KLR suspension. I'm going to wait for you up here if I've got you. Yeah, we were a bit worried. Yeah. That's not the lookout, is it? No, that's the other track. Yeah, that's right. More climbing. Yeah, I'm surprised I haven't bottomed out. Blue rag on not blue rag track just there. I'm pretty impressed with the old V-Strom. Nah. Oh, I stalled it. Yes! Thought I'd get that reaction. Better than the other one, eh? Done. Well, that was Mount Hedrick's Lookout. Not bad. Both bikes are doing real well. Ed's very impressed with the V-Strom. I'm happy with the way the KLR's tracking so far. I definitely think coming from a dirt background helps a lot. Oh, I bottomed out. Hey, you're gone. Ah, yeah. Yep. Oh, pothole. Yep. That was a big drop. You can tell we're related. Up hills. What was that rock? Oh, the hole. Yeah. Yeah, well, I just locked up. He should be able to see me. Is he waiting for me? Oh. Oh! Old McBashy had a farm. Oh, we did it. So there you go, guys. That was the track. Went down Huggetts Crossing campground. Had a look around there. In summer, you go for a swim there. It's really, really nice. If your kids don't like bugs and stuff, though, it's very flies and bugs and centipedes and stuff all around. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, any sort of all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive in the summer would be fine to go there. You just need a bit of clearance for those whoops. Thought they could washouts, what they really are, but we just call them whoops. We both bottomed out on them, but that's why we got the engine guards on. But yeah, even for a day trip, you head to Hayfield, which is Lake Glenmaggie. That's a beautiful lake as well, so I'll probably show you that on the way out. Actually, it's a really nice lake. And then this is 20 to 25 minutes away from that lake. So yeah, if you want to go and test your car out, you haven't taken your car somewhere, you're obviously four-wheel drive, possibly all-wheel drive in summer. I have seen a Hi-Ace, I think, are they the Hi-Ace four-wheel drive vans go down there, and even a Ford Falcon AU wagon at the bottom of that campsite. So it is doable. You just have to be very cautious, and if you've never four-wheel drive before, that'd be a great test track just to go and see how it all is. Just take your time, sit in first, don't sit on the brakes down hills, let the gearbox do your braking for you if you're in a car, and if you're on a bike, just make sure you don't have road tyres. Basically, as long as you don't have your normal road tyres and you've got a bit of experience, you'd be fine going down there and up there. I can't say for sure in the rain. I dare say it'd be a lot more slippery in the wet. But yeah, no, give it a go. So Huggetts Crossing campsite. If you go and get the rooftops map, I'll put it up for you. And yeah, just look for Kentucky Road, and then basically you just follow it in, as in KFC, Kentucky, for all those pre-born 1990s folk. I'm one of them. Alright guys, well we're here, we're about to air up. Oh, poor Roo boy. Oh. But this is where we were going to air up. But we're going to go for a ride up here, why not? As I said it, the old man laughed and turned up here and went. We had the same idea, you can't half tell we're related. But this is why you get out here, just to go and have a look. Ah, spewing. That could have been real good. Oh well. There's a bit of a dam there. Oh, this is why we explore, guys. Find cool shit like this.
Once I paused to kiss it all. We've both been laughing for days. Sometimes the world's in my coffee, and the devil's in the cream. And if you never wonder what the cat dragged in, you'll miss the
Well guys, that's it for part 2 of this adventure. We managed to wrangle our way out of Huggetts, did a bit more exploring, and found some truly epic spots along the way. Now we've made our way back towards Lake Glenmaggie, and in part 3 I'll take you to a secret spot, share a little mishap with one of the bikes, and show you what I reckon is just about the best place on the lake. I feel so grateful to live here in Victoria and be able to explore these places with my dad. If you get the chance to do something like this, please take it. Life moves fast and you never know when that chance might slip away. Step out, take a breath and make the most of it. And of course, if you're out on the bike, make sure you're fully geared up and riding safe. With that said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you in part 3. Ride safe and I'll catch you in my mirrors.